welcome back to my channel. And today I'm playing Bigfoot with Abigail right now with my good friends. And should I buy the product? I just bought the product drone. Also, guys, I did a video yesterday on this where like sad Roblox story thing where I like died or something. It's really weird, but still, yeah. I'm with Abigail. Abigail, say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so I'm playing Bigfoot with Abigail right now. Abigail, where are you? Literally, where are you?
I'm at the campfire.
Oh, really? Yo, you were not at the campfire. Okay.
Wait, I think I just saw you.
Oh, really?
Wait, no, that's a guy with Robux.
Wait, meet me at the Bigfoot dude, okay?
Okay. It's like all the cool YouTubers.
Wait, I'm gonna take my drone. I'm gonna take my drone and fly it around so I can like see if you're okay. I'm at a camp. Oh god, my drone battery's dying. My drone battery's dying. Don't accept Donnie's call. She's just calling. Okay, so we got a path over here. Okay, so we gotta go to the path. We have to like.
Okay, but where's Bigfoot?
Oh, Bigfoot? Not sure.
I'm swimming in the lake, but I don't see him.
For real? Wait, go back to the campfire. Okay, I'll meet you there.
He's like, kill Bigfoot before he kills
there's
me.
so many. Wait, meet me back at the campfire. I think I see the campfire.
And I think I see Bigfoot. Yeah, that is Bigfoot. I'm gonna hide in here.
Are you in a cabin or something?
No, I'm in a tent. It's a stupid place to hide. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it.
Abigail,
go back.
Abigail, meet me back at the campfire because I see the campfire. Wait,
Okay.
do you know where the graveyard is?
Nope.
Oh yeah. So pretty much Abigail's new to this game. She never knew that there's a game like this that existed until I showed her today.
Really, I never played this game. I should have played it because it's really fun.
Glad you like
Even though
it.
I don't.
I like it. It's kind of like another you know what game of Piggy. Yeah, it's like another version of Piggy today because we got the hacks. We got the hacks.
Oh no, a trap! I found a trap.
Really? This round, we should be together because Abigail, I do not know where you are, okay? Like, literally not know where you are.
I'll be standing on top of the fire.
You're on top of the fire? I'm on the tower.
Yeah. Well, can we just meet at the campfire because I don't know where the tower is? Oh, Bigfoot is almost dead. I wish I could teleport to you like we can in Adopt Me.
Yeah, right? Imagine.
Oh, I see Bigfoot. I see him.
Oh,
well,
really? I see him too.
Yeah, I'm gonna try shooting him with my pistol.
Woo! Hunter's way. Bigfoot is dead. Nice. I got 11 credits. Literally.
Oh, Bigfoot starved to death.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna play.
That's actually kind of funny. Well, not cool at the same time. You get what I mean, Abigail? Get it?
Yeah.
You get what I mean? Esa de camo chiquita mola papi pa 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 la pa pa la.
Bigfoot starved to death.
What if I'm Bigfoot?
If you're Bigfoot, don't kill me.
Okay, I won't. I just muted my mic. I'm actually gonna kill her if I'm ever.
If you do kill me and not know it's me, it's fine. But try not to kill me.
Okay. Who's Bigfoot? Yo, I just purchased no footprints. Oh, we're together! Woo!
Oh
Alright, you see me? Follow me, okay? Follow me.
Now the flashlights are lighter.
Okay, we are gonna go on a mission, okay? You take out your Bigfoot tracker while I take out my flashlight, okay?
Okay.
And you follow me, okay? We're a team.
The girls keep calling us.
I know, just do not,
Accept.
yeah. You get what I mean? Bruh, you have
Yeah.
footprints. It's fine. Just keep on going.
Okay.
I'm gonna lead you to the big tower. There's like a big tower that you can go to. Has binoculars on top that you can get up.
Wait, does Bigfoot kill you by stomping on you?
No, Bigfoot kills you by, like, getting his claws or something like that.
Oh.
So, we just, like, you see this path right here? Just keep on going on this path, and then there will be, like, a little tower. Oh, God, I forgot which way. Yeah, I think it's, like, more up here. Oh, I think that's the bridge. No, is that Bigfoot back there? Can't tell. I'm gonna just get my gun out just in case. Alright, Abigail, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna keep on going, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna hunt down Bigfoot together. We are a team, and we're gonna hunt down the
This
thought that was
guy is
Bigfoot.
following us.
I know. Totally fine. You see? Get the bandage. Get the bandage. Get the bandage. Okay? Now, follow me. Follow me through here. Come on.
Okay. I'm coming.
And we're gonna just keep going up this hill.
Okay.
Alright. So, we're gonna just keep going up the hill. And look, you see that ginormous hill right there? Go up the hill.
No.
This is it. It's like a ginormous hill. And you
Oh,
can't
I
even
see
get
it.
up here. How'd you get up? How'd you get up there? How'd you? What? What? Like, what? Oh. Wait, wait, there's a cave.
Hey, where are we?
Abigail, stay where you are. You're up there, right? Yeah, I see you.
Yeah.
Abigail, follow me. I'm going to show you to the cave, okay? Follow me down and look.
Wait, I think I saw a cave. Oh, yeah, here it is.
Oh, Bigfoot. You want to go hunt down Bigfoot
yeah,
together?
I see him.
Follow me. Let's go.
I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. Wait for me.
Don't accept the girl's call, okay? They're just spam calling us. I mean, they're just spam calling me. I'm not. Die, Bigfoot! Die! Bruh. Abigail, follow me.
Right.
We gonna go hunt down Bigfoot. Abigail, take your flashlight out. I'll take my tracker out.
Okay.
Now, follow me. Just keep going this way.
Okay. Oh,
Wait.
Marina joined the game.
Oh, really? For real?
Yeah.
Marina,
Look at your chat.
I'm recording YouTube right now. XD. Just keep going, okay?
Okay. Hold on, I'm recording YouTube with
I'm
Julian.
recording with Abby. I'm recording with Abby. Abby. Woo. Hey.
Hi,
Please. No, not right now. Abigail, don't join the meeting. If you do, I'm going to have to end the video because we can't do it right now.
Yeah.
Keep going, Abigail. We just keep going.
Wait, are we going towards Bigfoot or running away?
Or like going toward at the same time running away. It's weird, but still. Let's keep going. Wait, let's do double light. Double light.
Double light.
Oh, look,
Yeah.
look. You see this? The post office and the other towns. Let's go to the town.
Okay.
Wait, you should have bought the pass. It's only $5 Bigfoot coins, and you can actually like not have.
Marina's like, bruh, ugh.
And see, look, here's the This is where when you're a ghost, you spawn here. When you die from Bigfoot, look, see?
Oh, there's a ghost. What would happen if you go through it?
Nothing. You can just go through. We can't go through each other though because we're humans.
Yeah. R.I.P. R.I.P. Rest in peace.
Look in the chat.
What? Let me see.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Follow me. Let's
Wait,
keep
were you
going.
trying to say that to Marina? Oh,
Dude.
Bigfoot is trying to kill us.
Next Steve.
And he's high on. Well, no, he's not trying to kill us. I don't know.
I hear the Bigfoot.
By the way, I saw your YouTube video of Wormy with Glint. It was cool.
Oh, see, look, here's the tower. Oh God, no, Bigfoot, just get killed by Bigfoot. Get killed by the stupid Bigfoot. The Bigfoot, dude. Wait, hunt down Bigfoot with your pistol. That's the whole point. Hunt down Bigfoot. Abigail, come save me.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and let him kill me.
Really? Wait, be a ghost with me, please.
Do not run
Be
Okay,
a
I'm just
ghost
gonna
with
close
me.
my eyes and. He killed me. I'm a ghost.
Abigail,
Oh,
let's
I
go.
can actually run.
Abigail, you see me?
Hi.
Follow me, okay? I don't think you can see me that well, but just follow me. Let's go see my dead body.
Ah, Bigfoot runned over me.
Look,
No
meet me.
running! No running!
I'm at my
I
dead
see.
body. This is my dead body.
This is my dead body.
Let's go to your dead body. Your dead body's in the cemetery.
Ooh.
This is your dead body right here. You got a
Where's
big dead body right here. No.
I don't see the dead body.
Are you even where I am? Meet me at the cemetery. Okay.
I'm right here.
Okay, you see me? Follow me.
Yeah.
That's your dead body.
Oh, dang.
That's you, and that's your dead body.
I'm smiling and I'm dead.
Meet me at my
That's
dead
weird.
body. My dead body's at the other side.
Oh, okay.
See, that's my dead body.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Put the beans in the water.
Let's go on a
Your dead
mission.
body is like, and my dead body is like,
Look, if you go to my dead body and look at my
okay,
eye.
but I need a few more minutes. I'm doing YouTube with Dave.
Look at mine.
I'm
If
gonna
you
go back to my dead
look at my eye, literally. My eye has like a half eye thing, the like a half eye. Am in the end of the world, bro. XD, Marina, XD. Oh, a girl died too. That's sad.
I'm gonna say R.I.P. Rainbow. Wait, what?
Removed.
Is it removed? I typed R.I.P. Rainbow.
Rep Rainbow. I did it.
You're not supposed to
Thank
walk
you.
in that apartment anymore.
With me. Wait, I have admin. Fly. Fly. I can fly. I'm flying in the air. I'm flying in the air. I'm flying in the air. Nah, just kidding. I don't have admin. I don't have admin. I don't have admin. XD. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Me neither. Me neither. But I die.
I'm a
But I dies with Abby. But I
Nobody
die with Abby. But I dies with
I expected
Abby.
Bigfoot
Oh
to
wow.
be bigger.
Big